Happy Monday, good people. I hope you all enjoyed your holiday weekend. Some of you may still be on extended leave, unlike me, duty calls today. But as promised, I am back to reveal to you a magic number regarding the Illinois child support law that went into effect this past Saturday, July 1st, 2017. For the first time since 1984, Illinois has decided to change the way that it calculates child support. I wrote a blog on this on Monday, so go check that out if you haven't done so already. But long story short, instead of just taking a blanket percentage amount of the paying parent's net income, the state now considers the income of both parties. So the magic number, as promised, is 146. Again, that's 146, and that is the number of overnight visits that you must have with the child in a year. If you have the child for at least 146 overnight visits, then the law will take into consideration another factor which can greatly increase which greatly increases or decreases the amount of child support that you pay. I will do a written example later on because I don't want to just start spewing numbers to you. I just find that it's easier when you can see the numbers. But the reason I call this the magic number, I do it sort of sarcastically because for me that knowing that there is a magic number out there, I believe it may open the door to a floodgate of custody issues. For non-custodial parents, they may push to reach that threshold because they want that credit. They want that parenting time credit. Likewise, the parents with the children may withhold the children more so that the other side doesn't get the credit. That's my only issue. And as you guys know, well, some of you may know, custody matters are a whole lot more complicated than straight child support matters. So please, please, please don't create a custody matter, or I'm sorry, issue if one does not exist. So again, that number is 146. If you have an attorney or if you read the blogs, they'll probably tell you about this number anyway, so it's no secret. I just wanted to explain to you guys what it is and what it means, for those people who legitimately have their children 60-70% of the year, but they were paying this blanket amount of child support. It works for them. For those that are on the other side, not so much. But don't and I think that may have been the reason that the state was hesitant in tying child support and visitation or custody together, is fear that people would start to sell children. So don't make that mistake. Still, please make your parenting decisions based on the best interest of the child. And remember, if you already have a finalized child support order in place, you cannot modify your child support based on this new law. Okay, it only applies to new cases that aren't finalized yet. Okay, so that's all that I have. I just want to drop that quick tidbit for you guys on this Monday, and be on the lookout for that blog with the written example. And I have some other interesting things coming up.